Hi everybody, I'm Andy the Vegandy. Today I'm going to share with you one of my most popular recipes, my beloved recipe for vegan melted pizza cheese. A while ago I started experimenting with various ingredients other than nuts to make a vegan melted cheese that you can put on a pizza, or toast, or a lasagna, and soon I discovered that potatoes work really well for that. So since I got that recipe, I can't stop using it anymore because it's so delicious. And I basically put it on everything nowadays, and I thought you might want to do so too. It's easily prepared, so stay tuned and let's roll the intro. Alright, so for the pizza cheese you need 2 cups of smoking hot cooked potatoes. So I first peeled them, sliced them, rinse them thoroughly, and cook them until they were super tender. And it is essential for the success of the recipe that the potatoes are smoking hot when you start making the cheese with them. You also need 1 cup of full-fat coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch, and 1/3 of a cup nutritional yeast. As I will prepare some pizza toast with the cheese, I also have this extremely delicious sourdough bread, some tomato puree, some sliced tomatoes, some oregano, some corn, some pickled jalapenos, and olives. Alright, so let's start making the pizza cheese. I already have the smoking hot potatoes in this container that I can use with the immersion blender. You can use any blender that you like, but I found that the immersion blender works really well with the recipe. So first start by mixing the coconut milk with the tapioca starch and salt, and mix until the tapioca starch is completely dissolved. Now add this mixture to the smoking hot potatoes. Add the nutritional yeast and start blending. And that's it. Now let's have a look at how gooey that cheese is. So delicious. Alright, the pizza cheese is now ready to be used, and you can either top a pizza with that, or a lasagna, or a toast. And I'll be making some cheese pizza toast. For that, I start spreading the toast with some tomato puree. Sprinkle some oregano. Add some of the pizza cheese. And top them with some tomatoes, black olives, pickled jalapenos, and some corn. So the cheese pizza toasts are now ready to go into the oven. I will place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, and I'm going to bake them at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, so the cheese pizza toasts are now ready to be served. And as you can see, the pizza cheese really gets those golden brown spots and it's ultra delicious. This recipe is easily prepared, extremely versatile because you can add it to pizza, lasagna, toast, pasta, and probably many more options that I haven't even tried yet. And the best thing is you can store the pizza cheese in the fridge for up to 5 days, trying all of these options within a week and make everybody happy. So these pizza toasts are going to make me happy. Alright, so So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see a certain recipe or know more about food photography and food styling, let me know in the comments below. And finally, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.